Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kadalur district, Tamil Nadu, India. Pichavaram consists of a number of islands scattering a vast expanse of water covered with mangrove forest. The Pichavaram mangrove forest is one of the largest mangrove forests in India, covering about 1,100 hectares of area. Pichavaram is the second largest mangrove forest in the world, the first being the famous Sundarbans in West Bengal. Mangrove forest, also called mangrove swamp, mangrove thickets or mangroves. There are about 80 different species of mangrove trees. Many mangrove forests can be recognized by their dense tangle of prop roots that make the trees appear to be standing on stilts. The entry to this forest is totally free, but in order to venture into the forest, you need to get on a boat, and that is chargeable. Going around on a boat would be the best way to enjoy the beautiful views of the forest around you. From the shore, it takes about 10 minutes by boat to get to the main forest area. From then on, you are in a completely different world, surrounded by lushy green mangrove thickets. The highlight of the trip would be sailing through the narrow straits of the forest. This would flip your trip into an instant adventure of your lifetime. There are wider straits that give you a nice view of the forest on both sides. Then there are narrow straits where you need to squeeze through the mangrove thickets, dodging from the branches of the trees that whizzes past you so close. One wrong or lazy move, and you are sure to get a nice hard scratch on your body as a souvenir of the trip. There are several such straits all over the forest. If you want to sail through each one of them, you will need days or even months to explore this entire forest. Overall, this would be a fun trip for people of all ages. Since it is one of the world's largest mangrove forests, it is worth a visit. When the sun goes down, and as you head back home, I promise you, this will be a day well spent, carrying loads of memories, adventure, and fun. Don't forget, you're sure to click a truckload of pictures for your social media. So magical that people would reach out and ask you regarding this place. Subscribe now and be part of the journey.